How to find notification for promotions settings on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it easy and quick. First open Truecaller and now click on your profile here and then click the settings icon, and after that just click messaging and now click notification for here we'll find notification for promotions, and that's it. I hope that can help you. It's easy. Then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.